This car changed everything for this channel, but today it officially hits the junkyard. Most only show you the wins, but today I'm going to be brutally honest with you about why this project failed. Rest in pieces doesn't mean it's over, it just means we're learning from our mistakes. Welcome to
Modest Josh. You know how we do it.
I just want to say thank you to everyone for the subs and for coming out today. If you're new here, I'm Modest Josh, the scientist, and this is the final autopsy of the 2ZZ XA. Let's get into it. All right, so let's get it pushed in. Let's see what we can do. The machinist miscalculated the measurements and left one of the hubs frozen. He did fix it though, but also charged me for it. I paid again for another hub bearing. Needless to say, I had to find another machinist. Every time the hub bearings fails, it throws off the geometry and pushes the caliper into the rotor. Every time this happens, I had to purchase new brake pads, rotors, and bearings, and a visit to the machine shop, which average cost me about $650 each visit. Alright, so these are the old hubs right here, and these are the yards hubs that I have machined. I had them done before, but now I had them done again at another location. And as you see, they machined the bevel right here on the inside. They did all the measurements just like the original XA was. So right now I'm going to get the bearings, the Timken bearings, push them in, and hopefully everything goes well the first time. Alright, so I'm going to show you, well, this right here will just go to show you when you buy parts that are non-OEM, the parts are not always the same and they're non-consistent. Check out this part right here, supposed to be for 08 yards. This one here fits in the grooves perfectly fine. Put the other one in, does not line up correctly at all. Put this axle onto this new one and I'll show you where it's at. Alright, so here's the axle and you can see the gears or the teeth don't go away through. It doesn't fit, so that's all you see is the threads, but you don't see the actual end of the axle. Also, a minute ago the hub was sitting really close together. Now when I put it in, it actually separates. still has the 2ZZ silica throttle cable bracket. So here's the car in all its glory. It was brought to the yard just like this with no front suspension on it. The front bumper and grille I did sell on eBay. It does have the headlights still. But I didn't take those out because they're kind of just not in the right condition, even though they are like the 05 with the black housing. It was pretty cool. You can't find them anymore. I did find out the junkyard at some point along with these fenders here. So yeah, let's just take a look inside the car. So there goes the 2ZZ wire harness from a Corolla or a Matrix XRS. Looks like someone pulled back the carpet, but the EC was already gone or on. And I would take them and sell them, but they're not easy to ship on eBay, so it's not even worth the hassle. Here goes the 2ZZ part. No one's gonna really know it's here. Throttle body, which I left in the car because it was under the seat. Big drain plug or something. I had 2 more rims in the car, but they're no longer in the car. Some more goodies back here. 2ZZ headers. Here's a good Celica GTS axle in the back. The bumper is broken, so it's not even worth. Some nice brand new shocks in here. Taillights are on it still, which is kind of surprising. Well, I'll take that out too. I've sold it. Oh, and I took the mirrors off too and sold them on eBay as well. So today is a bittersweet day. It's a good day. I'm able to see the vehicle. This car here, I don't know. I really don't have much to say. It's kind of hard to express what I'm feeling right now, but it's good for the closure. And even though it's got, has to go, it's not the last project. But it was probably one of my favorite projects, besides the purple tint on it. So yeah, there's a 1-inch bases in the back. But I found out the recipe for the 2ZZ and the Scion XA. And stay tuned for my next project. Might be another 2ZZ. The next project is going to be a 2ZZ GE automatic Scion XB. I took a step back from my trade to work on the 2ZZ Scion XA, and it's been 720 days of no employment. My own industry wouldn't even hire me because I've been self-employed for over 20 years. I felt lost. I thought my career was over, but I was looking at it all wrong. I don't need their shops. I have my career right here with you. I'm going full time as a content creator. I work for you. I build OEM quality daily drivable Scion XAs and XBs and other projects. There is a need and a desire for builds in this Scion community, and I'm stepping up to the plate to deliver information through documentation. Do you need a hybrid or custom engine harness for your 2ZZ Corolla Scion? ECU pinouts? I happen to be a professional 12-volt installer. I'm just saying, my hobby just became my mid-career pivot. If you want to see what happens when a man stops asking for a job and starts building a legacy, buy me a coffee, keep the lights on, and let's build this Project Automotive XB 2ZZ automatic swap.